Good morning students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. What is query in MS Access? A query is a request for data results and for action on data. You can use a query to answer a simple question, to perform calculations, to combine data from different tables, or even to add, change or delete table data. Next question, how many types of query in MS Access? Write their names. First, select, parameter, cross-tab, and action queries are there in MS Access. How will you create query in design view? To create a query in design view, in the database window, click the queries icon in the object bar and then double click create query in design view. Select the table you want to add to the query and click add. Third, repeat step 2 as necessary for additional tables or queries and click close. Fourth question, what is the use of criteria in query design? A a query criterion is an expression that Access compares to query field values to determine whether to include the record that contains each value. Example, Chicago is an expression that Access can compare to values in a text field in a query. Use wildcards in queries and parameters in Access. Match all characters anywhere in your data. First, what will you do? Open your query in design view. To do so, in the navigation pane under queries, right click the query and click design view. In the criteria cell under the field you want to use, add an asterisk on either side of your criteria or on both sides. On the design tab in the results group, click run. Match a character within a pattern. Open your query in design view. In the criteria cell of the field you want to use, type the operator like in front of your criteria. Replace one or more character in the criteria with a character. On the design tab in the results group, click run. Table of wildcard character star matches 0 or more characters. It can be used as the first or last character in the character string. Question mark matches any single alphabetic character. Bracket matches any single character within the bracket. Exclamation marks matches any character not in the brackets. Dash matches any one of a range of characters. You must specify the range in ascending order. Hash matches any single numeric character. These are the example of using wildcards. Suppose your data lists some people as owner and other as owner operator. You have to use wildcard character like double quotes. In the double quotes you have to give star also. You will write star with word You want to use wildcard with a parameter query like this. Okay. Someone misspelled a name when they entered data such as Adrian instead of Adrian. So you can correct that particular word like this. You want to find customer whose last name starts with A through H. Okay, you can write like this. You want to find part numbers that have all but the second and third digit in common. Okay, you want to send out invitation for a block party on the 1000 block of Park Street. Okay, so that was your explanation of wildcard character. How will you use wildcard character in Access query? Okay. Homework for today is what is wildcard character in MS Access? Next question, what are the steps to run a query? Next question, where is run button present? Next, what is the use of count function in Access? Thank you.